You were the flare in my darkened sky, a pulse of gold before goodbye. Now every star just feels like you, fading slow in a deeper blue. I still hear your name in the solar wind, a whisper caught where time begins. You are the light that left too soon, a ghost that dances with the moon. I reach through silence just to find the afterglow you left behind. I trace your orbit in my sleep, a phantom tide that pulls too deep. The universe won't speak your name, but I still sing through stellar flame. I still hear